Today, we're making gochujang honey garlic chicken wings. Alright, let's get right to it. In a large bowl, start by brining your wings. This recipe requires about a pound, so that's about 9 pieces. Add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt to the chicken and add milk. Place it in the refrigerator and let it sit for about 30 minutes. The longer the chicken is brined, the better the result. To make the seasoning, in a large bowl, add all-purpose flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, and mix the ingredients together. For the gochujang honey garlic sauce, in a small bowl, add ketchup, gochujang, honey, mirin, soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, water, and stir. And try not to drink it because this sauce is seriously addicting. Get the brine chicken wings out of the refrigerator and coat each wing with the chicken seasoning, making sure it's coated really well. In a pot, heat the initial frying oil temperature to about 375 to 380 degrees Fahrenheit and carefully place the wings in the hot oil while keeping the temperature between 340 to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook for about 8 to 9 minutes or until it's fully cooked and place it on the side. In a medium pan, stir the prepped gochujang honey garlic sauce for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium-low heat while stirring. Then add the fried chicken and stir, making sure to coat all the wings with the sauce. You can use the basting brush to help spread the sauce to all the crevices. And then plate it up, garnish with some toasted sesame seeds, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. Mokja, let's eat!